welcome back. This is Satya. This is a video continuation from our previous videos series Java new features. So this feature compact number format is a new feature from Java 12. We are going to see with example how we can use the compact number format and how we can write a code for that one. Compact number format refers to the representation of a number in a short or human readable form. For example, you are referring to a number 1000. In short, we can say that is 1k. It is a human readable form and it is easy to understand. Let's say you are referring to the 1 lakh, you can say 1L, or if you are referring to a 10 lakhs, you can say in a short form 1 million. So that number format we can use and we can derive the compact number. So this number format is defined by LDML specification. LDML is local data markup language. This is, we can say it is a registry where we can refer the number formats, or Java refers to this number formats, and from that it derives the number format. Let's see the example. Let me create one method. This is my main class. So to derive the local compact number format, we have to use the number format class. It is from text, java.text fmt equal to, this is a factory method we have to use, that is from number format class. Compact. So there are two methods, get compact number instance and other one is with arguments. We will go with the second, where we can define the local and style. Local will take US, so local dot US, and the format will go for short, that is from Java style, like a number format dot style. We'll see here that style class. This is number format style. From that we are derived a short. Okay, now use the form fmt reference to get the format. Here give your number, let's say I am giving 1000. It returns a string in a short form, the number in a short form of type string. So let me print this one and let me run. Here is some errors, let me resolve this. Okay, for 1000 the short form is 1k, so we got 1k from the number format object dot format, and here in number format is a factory class and this is a factory method. From that we got number format reference and we are using US local and style short. Let me give some big number. This is 100k, and let me give some more. This is 100 million. But if you want to read this one, this is very difficult, but you can read it simply 100 million is a human readable form, and you can give some more big number, that it is out of int range, so it is giving error. So in this case we have to go for long number, and we'll see what is the type. See, 100 trillions. This is very easy to read, but here it is difficult to count the zeros and the length of this number. And one more thing, if you want to give any number, it will take you to the floor or seal of nearest thousands. Let me run this one. See, this is saying 1 million. let's say for better understanding I am giving 19999. This refers to a 1k in short, or we will give this something, yeah, say something like this. This refers to, so this is coming to the nearest value, and if you give 999, it is going to 10k. Yeah, that is how we derive the short or compact form, compact number format. This is a good feature. And I think one more thing we can discuss here, but this is not part of Java 12. This was released in JDK 9. We can use underscores in between numbers. If you are writing a long number, let's say you are writing something like this, to get better understanding you can give a underscores. This is also refers to a number only. This is underscores are allowed inside a number from Java 9 onwards, but okay, it's just mentioning we can refer this number as, yeah, this is how we can write a compact numbers using number format class or factory class. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.